Hi, so this is a short video log on how to create your own video logs for the teacher training program. There are lots of ways to do that, but this is probably the quickest and shortest way to achieve it. There are several steps in the process, but of course, being a video log, you can rewind this and watch it over again. But you might want to make some notes of the steps in the process. So the best way to record your video logs is to use Microsoft Teams, which if you're a Harlow College employee, you will have access to on your desktop. You can use it either through the iPad or through a laptop. So the first thing to do is, if it's not already running, is to launch Teams. Go to the calendar, and there you should be able to see, top right hand corner, you will see an option to Meet Now. So I'm just going to share screen here so that I can take you through the steps a little bit more easily. Okay, so this is what your Microsoft Teams calendar should look like, and you should see towards the top right hand corner an option to Meet Now with a camera on it. So just click that, and of course then the meeting will open in the normal way. Click Join, and you then should find yourself in the meeting. Now, up on the top menu bar, you should see those three little dots. If you click on that, that will pull this menu down, and towards the bottom, you can see there's a button there that you can click on for start recording. Give it a second or two just to start recording, because it's not quite instant. Then when you've finished your recording, record your video log, remember to say who you are and what unit the evidence is that you are discussing in your video log. So when you have finished your recording, click on the three dots again, drop down the menu, and you see this button will have changed to stop recording. Click on stop recording, and then you'll get another dialog box open up in the middle of the screen, which will ask you to confirm that you want to cease recording. Now, after the recording has finished, one of two things you can do to gain access to your video. If you wait, then the video that you've recorded will appear in chat. Now, it depends how long the video is as to how long it takes to appear in chat. So if you bring the chat window up, which is this little icon on the menu bar, click on that. That will bring this chat window up down the side. And once it's recorded, finished recording, you will see your video log appear here in chat. You've got your three little buttons there where you've got an option to download it. But that can take a few minutes to do. So if you want to be doing something else in the meantime, you can just click Leave the Meeting, and Microsoft Stream will send you an email when the recording has been completed. So you'll get a new email appearing in your inbox, which will look something like this. The title of your video log will appear here, and that is a link directly to Microsoft Stream. So if you click on that link, that will take you to Microsoft Stream. You'll have to log in with your Harlow College username and your password, as you normally would, into Office 365. And then once you're in Microsoft Stream, that link will take you directly to the video that you recorded, where you can play it and just check that it's okay. So if you're happy with your video log, then you will see, if you scroll down the screen a little bit, they're normally just hidden out of view. But see, if you scroll down just a fraction, you'll see those three little dots there, where if you click on those three little dots, a menu will pop up, and one of the options there is to download the video. Now, you can share the video from here, but you can only share it with other Microsoft Office 365 authorized users. So as we need the EQA to look at this as well, it's best to download the video first of all. So your next step is to download the video. Click on that, and when you've clicked on download video, you'll find one of these dialog boxes open up, and it'll allow you to select a place for you to save the video. Now, if you're very lucky, you will find that you have your OneDrive account appearing in here, and you can save it directly onto your OneDrive. That doesn't quite work on my laptop for some reason. So I have to save the video locally onto the hard drive of my laptop. So I find a location where I know I'm going to be able to find it again, and click on save, and it will download to that location. Then I need to open up my OneDrive account, not OneFile, but my OneDrive account, and upload the video to OneDrive. So we're just going to swap windows now so that I can show you what that looks like. So we're now into Microsoft OneDrive, which is the Harlow College file storage system that's available to all staff. So provided you are a Harlow College staff member, you'll find you've got a OneDrive account here. If you're not a Harlow College staff member, then you can use Google Docs, Google Drive, or Dropbox, or any other cloud storage, provided it was shared with anybody else. So the video that I want to upload to my Onefile account is here. So that's my video recording, which I've uploaded to OneDrive, having created it in Microsoft Teams. So if I hover my mouse over the file that I want to upload, then I see a little share option here. Click on the share option. And I've got an option here to copy the link. Now, the videos are going to be too big to put onto one file, so I need to create a link to them rather than copying them. So I copy the link by clicking on that button, and this allows me to copy the link. So I click copy. So that is now in the memory of my computer. Now, I've also got Onefile open here now. So I'm on the home page as a student in Onefile. So I go to my tasks, and I locate the task that requires the video log, which is this one here. So I open up the task, and I scroll down past all the criteria to the evidence box. Now you can, if you want to, paste the link in the evidence box. There's nothing wrong with that, and it does work. A technically more correct way of doing it is to click on Add Attachment. That then takes you to the upload portal in Onefile, and there click on Create Link. Hover over the dialog box, right click on the mouse, and paste. And that's the link to your video that we copied from OneDrive that's now gone into there. So I click on Create. Scroll down a fraction, and I can see there is the link there in yellow, a little tick against it. So I now want to attach that. So I can scroll either up or down, both top and bottom. There's an attach button. Click on attach, and that will take me back to the task again. So if I scroll back down again, back down to the evidence box, there's the evidence box there, and you can see there is my attachment there. So now all I need to do is just to say how long that took me in minutes there. Tick this box and click on Save and Quit, and it'll go off to my assessor. If I haven't quite finished, if there's other things still to do, then I won't tick the box, but I will click on Save and Quit, just so that the link I've created here is saved against this particular task. So there we go. Seems quite a few steps there, but as I say, as it's the video log, you can obviously rewind the video back and watch that over and over again. But there you go. That is the most effective way to create your video logs for the teacher training program, using Microsoft Teams, using Microsoft Stream, Microsoft OneDrive, and then eventually creating a link from OneDrive and pasting that as a link into Onefile. Okay, so I hope that's helpful to you. We'll see you again on another video log, no doubt. Thanks very much for stopping by. Bye for now.